No, I'm not pregnant. See, oh! Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm making coffee.
Yeah. Someone squirt punch on me. At least it's strawberry, so it smells good. I got a whole bunch of comments and messages the other day on my car cleaning video saying, we know you're pregnant, girl. Just make the announcement. We see that little tummy. So to answer the question, no, I'm not pregnant. I was a little bit bloated in the video, but that's only because I ate a donut. What's that? It's only because I ate a donut while I was cleaning my car. Yes. No, we don't have any donuts, honey. And the fact of the matter is, it's also that time of the month. So yeah, I was a little bit bloated. Thank you for pointing that out. But no, I'm not pregnant. We probably shouldn't assume things either. Where'd your coffee go? I'm basically a barista. I feel like every time you walk into Starbucks, you just see, oh no, you don't see that.
Oh, yeah.
I'm literally not changing. We can never leave the house unless everybody has at least 7 drinks. Oh.
Oh, no.
I actually saw on Target's website that they have a princess version of this, and I think it's got Ariel and Tiana on it, and those are some of our favorites. So I gotta find it. Yeah. Someone just came up to me for a hug and wiped their nose on my shirt. Yet again, though, I'm not changing. I've learned that it's easiest to just load up everybody's drinks first. Carl and I are so bad with folding laundry. Y'all know this, so we actually came up with a little bit of a solution. And I don't want any judgment from anybody in the comments, okay? We listen, we don't judge. This is our new little system. Both kiddos have one of these hampers. So one side is just PJs, the other side is outfits. And those are clean, so when we take the laundry out, it's just easier to separate things into outfits and pajamas. It just keeps things so much more organized, and it's so much faster instead of folding every little piece and putting them in the drawers. We got an outfit for Gray, an outfit for Miss Kennedy. We just got out of Gray's appointment. We just got to the grocery store. I need to get a handful of things. Let's run inside. For reference, I've been taking my double stroller into the stores because I'm all done with the shopping carts because I feel like that's how we get sick every time. Oh, we need a snack. I'm pretty much out of Kerrygold. I don't know how I ended up in this situation. Well, actually, I know how I ended up in this situation. I use it a lot. I don't know how I let this happen though. Oh, there it is. Cheddar. While we're here. Back in the car, gonna head home. I think I'm actually gonna make a chicken salad with that rotisserie chicken because I feel like the kids might like chicken salad sandwiches. Yes, honey. Say bye-bye.